How to create AI generated art for free using Midjourney. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily create AI generated art using Midjourney. So the very first thing you want to do here is go to the search bar and then simply search for Midjourney AI, hit enter, and click on the first link that you see here. So go over to midjourney.com. Now you need to go ahead and sign up if it's your first time. I'll just continue on with Google. And from here, I can click on the Google account that I want to continue with and then tap on continue again. Now, once you sign up for your account, just log in using your credentials, and then you can find all of these stuffs over here on your home screen. Now, to be able to continue to create here, you need to subscribe to Midjourney. So you can click on join now to subscribe to this. You can find your yearly and monthly billing payment plans. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can also search for an alternative called DALL-E. You can use DALL-E AI to create a free AI generated image. So I'll just go ahead and click on this DALL-E 2 by OpenAI. I can just click on try DALL-E over here. Now, if it's not working, then you need to open up another link. So I'll just go here, DALL-E 4, click on this image generation. Just click on create custom image for free. And I can click on start creating image. Now you can just go ahead and describe your image over here. I'll just do sunset at beach. Click on create free account, and I'll just use a sample prompt over here. Now just click on create free account, tap on login. You can log in using your Google account over here, do the same thing. And go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. Click on continue and create an account. Now once that is done, you will get your prompt and AI image. So you can click on this download button and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.